While you can catch a cold all year round, the chances of getting a cold in the winter months are significantly high. It's not that the virus is stronger in winter or that it becomes more contagious, but there are a number of factors that make us susceptible to catch a cough or cold in winters. As the temperatures drop, people tend to spend more time indoors. Spending time in closed-quartered areas such as schools and offices provides the perfect environment for passing around cold. In addition to this, the dryness of the air in colder weather causes the cold to spread more easily. This is because the virus survives for longer in low temperatures and low humidity environments. The drier air also impacts on our body, causing our nasal passages to become more dry. Dry nasal passage means the cold virus can take hold more easily, making us more ill in winters than we perhaps would be in the hotter summer months. Today, I will be sharing a simple home remedy with which you will be able to treat this winter cough and cold very effectively at home. I have made a video which talks about the causes and symptoms of cough and a few ways to overcome it. You can have a look at to understand the type of cough you are suffering from. Basically, let me tell you that there are two different types of cough: productive cough or non-productive cough. A productive cough produces mucus or phlegm, also sometimes known as a wet cough or a chesty cough. This type of cough may cause you to feel congested and your chest to feel tight. These coughs tend to be worse in the evening or morning when lying in the bed, as they can cause mucus to pool at the back of the throat. Symptoms of productive cough may also include breathlessness, wheezing, and chest pain. A non-productive cough is one in which no mucus or phlegm is produced. These are often referred to as a tickling cough or dry cough. Dry cough can often appear in winter, as they are not only commonly caused by the cold virus, but they are also aggravated by cold air and changes in temperature. Both of these factors are most closely related to the winter season, giving explanation to the increased frequency of cough during the colder months. Of course, there are a range of things you can do to help rid yourself of the winter cough. Arguably, the best way is to prevent yourself from getting one in the first place. Coughs and colds are most commonly spread through touch. Think of everything you touch in a day: a public transport, in the office, at the shop. The list is endless. Frequent hand washing is one of the most effective ways in preventing the spread of potentially harmful bacteria. In addition to this, it is important to ensure you get enough sleep. It has been proven that a lack of sleep lowers immunity, thus making it more likely to catch a cough or a cold. Diet also plays a large role in immunity levels. A diet rich in vitamin C helps to raise the immune system. Vitamin D, most commonly gained from sunlight, also helps the body to defend itself against harmful bacteria. Finally, it is important to drink lots of fluids if you are suffering from cough or cold. By keeping your body hydrated, it will produce less histamines, helping to ease congestion. Furthermore, drinking a high volume of fluids helps to prevent the buildup of mucus resulting in chesty cough. The remedy that I'm going to share today has two superheroes of food: honey and ginger. Ginger is packed with anti-inflammatory properties along with the properties that increase your body's immunity. The anti-inflammatory agents help in relieving the ache during sore throats, and being a spicy, pungent herb, it also gives the heat that your body requires at this juncture. And by boosting immunity, it also keeps those infections at bay. So, if you're suffering from a bad throat or have a cough or have cold-like symptoms, you can use ginger as the first source of defense. Honey for cough is a better and a cheaper treatment option than the drugs purchased from over-the-counter. Honey relieves inflammation in the throat or the lungs due to its viscous and sticky nature that helps in relieving the mucous membrane. In the case of bacterial infection, the antibacterial properties of honey ensure relief from cough. We all know that honey is a powerhouse of antioxidants, which strengthens the immune system to defend your airways from bacteria and foreign objects. Honey is proved as miraculous in reducing nighttime cough and improving sleep. Honey coats the throat and soothes irritated mucous membrane, calming a cough and easing related symptoms. Honey is a time-honored remedy to treat sore throats and coughs in kids and adults. It's a remedy that does not pose any risk of drug interaction. Now, let's get started with the recipe. So everything that I'm taking here, like the bottle, the knife, chopping board, spoon, and the ginger also is cleaned and dried properly. It will be great if you are taking a glass bottle to store this preparation. As we are preparing the marinade, we do not want any water drop in it. So all you have to do is just cut ginger into small pieces and keep it aside. Now all that we have to do is to layer the ginger pieces and honey in the bottle. And that's it. Before we start using it, we just have to leave it overnight for the marination. And your ginger honey marinade is ready to be used. Try to make sure that you are making it in small batches and you can repeat it again every week if you want to. I am making it for a week. So every time you want to use it, just make sure that you are taking a clean dry spoon and mix it well before and take a spoonful of honey. If you're comfortable chewing ginger, you can do so. It is also safe to be given to kids above 6 years. Try this recipe and do let me know how did you find it. For more such videos on health and self-care, subscribe to my channel rivaafoodz. It is also important to click the bell icon so that you will be notified about my next video. Otherwise, it may so happen that you will not know about my next upload. So, see you at rivaafoodz.